All right, 51 through 53 are in this video. The other two are on slides that will be coming up. So if you want to see 52 or 53, fast forward through it. Which point is the midpoint of AB? Well, let's do the midpoint formula to find it. And what you do for the midpoint formula is you average the two endpoints. You say, -6 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay, -6 is this point, 8 is here, and if we add them together and divide by 2, we will find the coordinates of the midpoint. So -6 plus 8 is 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is 1. So that middle point, that midpoint of AB, is at 1. And just to verify it, you can see that indeed there is 7 units between here and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's 7 units from there to there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see that is indeed the midpoint, and there we mark it as C. Okay? Okay, so now we're finding the midpoint of a segment that is in the coordinate plane and not just on a number line. We're going to do the same thing, but now we need to do it in the two different coordinates of x and y. So we're going to take point P and we're going to identify its coordinates, and it is at -4, 6. So we will write that, -4, 6. And we identify point Q as, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, comma, -6. Okay, so then if we want to do the midpoint formula, we're going to say the midpoint in x and y is equal to, let's call these point number 1 and point number 2. So we could say this is point number 1, and therefore we've got x1 and y1. And then this is point number 2, so we've got x2 and y2. Okay, so let me choose a different color here than this. So we say then the midpoint, coordinates x and y, will be equal to the x1 coordinate plus the y1 coordinate, plus the x2 coordinate divided by 2. We're averaging it for that one. And then the y1 plus the y2 also divided by 2. We're averaging that. Okay? Sorry, my screen is glitching out a little bit. Now, if we then plug in those values, what we get is, put brackets here, so we can say parentheses that coordinate plus parentheses that coordinate over 2, comma, parentheses this coordinate plus parentheses that coordinate over 2. And what are those coordinates? Well, we've got, for the x coordinate, x1, we've got -4, and for x2, we've got 8. Okay, now going to the y coordinates of each, the y1 coordinate is 6, and the y2 coordinate is -6. Okay, and then when we simplify them, we say, okay, then therefore we've got, what is -4 plus 8? It is 4 over 2, comma, 6 plus -6 is 0 over 2. And when we simplify those coordinates, we find that we've got a set of coordinates. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 0 divided by 2 is 0. So we have 2, 0 is our midpoint. And if you look at our answer choices, that's A. Okay? And plotting 2, 0, we would say that's right here. And you can see that that, at least visually, appears to be the halfway point between P and Q. Okay? Okay, so we're going to go with that. Okay, same idea, find the coordinates of the midpoint of the segment whose endpoints are this. Now we don't have it on the graph, but certainly we've got the same idea where we take these points and let's call the points for h, let's call that x1 and y1, and points for k, oops, x2 and y2. And actually, let me write it below because that might be easier. x2 and y2. Okay, sorry that they're sloppy, and those are ones for each one of those. So let's then do the same formula. We say the midpoint coordinates in x and y are equal to the coordinates of x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Again, we're averaging them just like we did with the number line, and when we average them, what we find is the exact in-between point. Okay? The in-between point for x and the in-between point for y will give us the exact midpoint. So then we say, okay, we're going to substitute a value in for x1 for x2, and we're divide that by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and let's sub those points in. Okay, so let's say x1, if we look up top, x1 is 6, x2 is 2, and then y1 is 4, y2 is 8. So if we were to then start to do those calculations, we get 6 plus 2 is 8, still divided by 2, comma, 4 plus 8 is 12, again divided by 2, and then 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 12 divided by 2 is 6, and we have the coordinates of the midpoint at 4, comma 6. And if you look at our answer choices, that is D. Okay? I'll provide you with the midpoint formulas, the distance formulas, and all of that on the test.